our land. That pig is an agent of darkness in our land. If you don't know, I will tell you tonight. Because he's a criminal, and I'll prove it. As I'm saying it, I'm mentioning names. As I kept saying, bring your pen and paper. I will not discuss this again. And I'm asking all our admin, you are going to segment this very broadcast and cut it out to fit the very purpose for which we are making it tonight, which is the response to all these traitors. It was their fathers that betrayed Biafra. It was their relatives that betrayed Biafra. They have come again to betray us. They have come again, and we can't allow them. Not that they underestimate us. And long may it continue. Maybe that's why we are as formidable as we are. That's useless pig called Asari Dokobo that I gave money to from inside the prison because he has no shame. All of you want after from inside the prison, I gave that idiot 20 million naira.
Okay.
I was in prison. He was so poor. I authorized for him to be given 20 million. Our men went to Guacha. That same bloated pig went and called DSS to go and arrest my men in Iguacha. And he gave the money to you today. But people have no shame. Did I give you money or not? I was in prison. And I organized the meeting in Cotonou. In your house in Cotonou. With our men. My men to go to Cotonou. They are from all over the world to Cotonou to go and see you. At the meeting I asked you, how do we proceed from here? You demanded for 200 million naira. You bloated, dirty, filthy, poor pig. Did you ask me for 200 million or not? I don't talk to Uche Nasiebu anymore. They're all traitors. Did you not talk to him about it? Did I not give Uche Nasiebu authorization to give you money? How much money have you collected from me? You shameless pig. Saying I'm a con artist. Nnamdi Kanu is a con artist. When you are the one that stole from me, I gave you money for us to do something. You want to call DSS? Yes or no? I'm asking you, true or false? And you're a freedom fighter who is in love with his oppressor. You're in a zoo. You're in a zoo. You're not ashamed of yourself. You're coming out and talking rubbish. I will ask you again. How much money did I give you? Mbah 2016. You said you will organize men. How much did I give you? How much did we give you to support Avengers? When I was in prison, which you ate. Avengers never got the money. And you're here talking rubbish, as always. And my happiness is that the John Nation know who you are. They know you're a traitor. They warned me. They say you're a traitor. And now I know you are. You see, it's called a double agent. You come and tell about Biafra. Everybody must be in Biafra. It's a lie. You don't have the liver for it. You don't. You don't have the discipline. If I want to be like all of you fools, living on the crumbs from the master's table, I'll be a very wealthy man. I don't have any need for it. I went to Dikogan that some useless fools cannot find in Aba. It's called Green Street Primary School. When I was there, it was called Cameroon Road and Primary School. I keep saying it all the time. I went to Library Avenue. I had the best of the best. Common College Umwaha. UNN, Voice of Nigeria and Soka. I told my father that if I remain in this school, I'll become more stupid than a monkey. My father sent me to go to London to go and study. And you open your mouth and you're talking rubbish.